All right, let's cut to the chase. You've heard the buzz. You've seen the demos. Maybe you've even had a glimpse of the future. But the burning question remains, how do you actually get your hands on a Gemini account? Are we talking secret handshake? Hidden portals? A tech-savvy pigeon you need to befriend? The truth, as always, is a little more nuanced and a lot less reliant on avian intermediaries. We're living in a world where AI is rapidly evolving, and access to these powerful tools is changing just as quickly. So, let's unpack this, cut through the noise, and get you the real story on how to access Gemini. First, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Gemini account isn't quite the right terminology, at least not in the sense of creating a standalone, independent account like you would for social media or email. Gemini is fundamentally an AI model, a sophisticated piece of technology developed by Google. Think of it more as an engine, a powerful brain, rather than a user profile. Instead of creating a dedicated Gemini account, you gain access to Gemini through various integrations and platforms. This is a crucial distinction to understand. It's not about logging into Gemini.com, it's about utilizing the tools and services that are powered by Gemini. Now, where do we find these tools? Well, the landscape is expanding rapidly, but here are the primary avenues as of now. Google products. This is the most direct and integrated approach. Google is weaving Gemini into its existing suite of products. Expect to see Gemini's capabilities enhance everything from search to workspace. Google Search. You've likely already seen glimpses of Gemini's influence in search. Its ability to process and synthesize information in a more natural, conversational way is changing how we find answers. This integration will continue to deepen, offering more nuanced and comprehensive responses to complex queries. Google Workspace. Imagine drafting emails, creating presentations, and analyzing data with the assistance of a powerful AI. Gemini is being integrated into Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, offering features like automated content generation, data analysis, and creative brainstorming. Bard. Now Gemini originally launched as Bard, Google's conversational AI has now been upgraded and rebranded as Gemini. This is a key entry point for experiencing Gemini's capabilities directly. You can interact with Gemini through the user interface, asking questions, generating text, and exploring its creative potential. Developer access. For developers and researchers, Google provides access to Gemini through its APIs and cloud platforms. This allows them to integrate Gemini's capabilities into their own applications and services. Google Cloud Vertex AI. This platform offers access to Gemini models, enabling developers to build and deploy AI-powered applications. If you're looking to leverage Gemini for custom solutions, this is a crucial resource. Gemini API. As Google continues to expand access, expect to see a more robust and readily available Gemini API. This will open up a world of possibilities for developers to integrate Gemini into their projects. Third-party integrations. As Gemini's capabilities become more widely recognized, you'll likely see it integrated into various third-party applications and services. This could range from productivity tools to creative platforms, expanding the reach of Gemini beyond Google's own ecosystem. Now, let's address some common questions and misconceptions. Is Gemini free? Access to Gemini varies depending on the platform and use case. Some integrations within Google products may be accessible through existing subscriptions, while developer access through APIs and cloud platforms may involve costs. Do I need a special account to use Gemini in Search or Workspace? Generally, no. As long as you have a Google account, you'll be able to access the features powered by Gemini within those platforms. However, some advanced features or developer access might require specific subscriptions or approvals. When will I have full access to all of Gemini's capabilities? The rollout of Gemini is ongoing. Google is taking a phased approach, focusing on integrating it into key products and expanding access to developers. This means that access and features may evolve over time. What are the different Gemini models? Google has released different versions of Gemini, optimized for various tasks and device capabilities. Gemini Ultra is the most capable model, designed for highly complex tasks. Gemini Pro is a strong general-purpose model, and Gemini Nano is optimized for on-device tasks. It's important to keep in mind that the AI landscape is dynamic. New models, features, and access methods are constantly being developed. The information provided here is current as of now, but it's essential to stay updated on the latest developments. To keep yourself informed, here are some key resources. Google AI Blog. This is the official source for updates on Google's AI research and development, including Gemini. Google Cloud Blog. This blog provides information on Google's cloud AI offerings, including Vertex AI and Gemini APIs. Google's official documentation. For developers, Google's documentation provides detailed information on accessing and using Gemini models. Reliable tech news websites. Stay informed about the latest AI news and updates from reputable tech publications. In essence, accessing Gemini is about understanding how it's integrated into the tools and services you already use. It's not a standalone product, but rather a powerful engine that's being woven into the fabric of Google's ecosystem and beyond. The future of AI is about seamless integration, and Gemini is leading the way. As Google continues to expand access and refine its models, we can expect to see Gemini play an increasingly significant role in our daily lives. Whether it's enhancing our search experience, boosting our productivity, or enabling developers to build innovative applications, Gemini's potential is vast. Keep an eye on official Google announcements and updates, and explore the various platforms and services where Gemini is being integrated. Experiment with the features, and discover how this powerful AI can enhance your own workflows and creative endeavors. The world of AI is changing rapidly, and Gemini is a key player in this evolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.